Flying makes travel faster and easier, but your luggage can still face risks along the way. Bags may be misplaced, handled by many people, or left vulnerable to theft if they are not properly secured. The good news is that a few smart steps can make your luggage much safer. By choosing the right suitcase, labeling it clearly, using locks, keeping valuables close, and staying alert at the airport and on the plane, you can reduce the chances of loss or theft and help make sure your belongings arrive safely with you. Packing your bag. Find out what you can pack. Check your airline's restrictions online before you travel. Avoid packing prohibited items so you do not have to open your bag at the airport, which can weaken your security steps and make the bag more vulnerable. Consider buying a hard-sided suitcase. Fabric bags and zippers can be easier to break into, while hard cases with clasps offer better protection. They are harder to force open and less attractive to thieves looking for easy targets. Remove batteries from electronic or battery-powered items before packing. This helps prevent them from turning on during travel or security checks, which could draw attention and make your bag more likely to be searched. Put labels on your luggage with your name, destination address, email, and phone number so it can be returned if lost. Also, remove old flight tags or stickers to prevent your bag from being sent to the wrong destination. Use a lock to keep your luggage closed and secure. Choose one that fits properly, preferably with a thick shackle that is harder to cut or pick. Keep the key with you if it uses one. TSA-approved locks can be opened by security, but they may still be less secure. For extra protection, use different lock types on multiple bags, and keep your carry-on locked when you are away from it or sleeping. Walking through the airport. Stay alert and keep your luggage close while moving through the airport. At security, watch your bag enter the X-ray machine and make sure it comes back out. Once your items are cleared, collect them quickly and move away from the checkpoint. Keep valuables in your carry-on, such as your wallet, passport, boarding pass, ID, medicine, and other important items. Keeping them close reduces the risk of loss or theft. Keep all valuables in one place inside your carry-on, so they are easy to find when needed. This also helps you notice quickly if anything is missing. Wrap your luggage in plastic to discourage tampering, and make it easier to spot if someone opens or damages it. Plastic wrap will not fully prevent theft, but it can make your bag less appealing to thieves. Some airports also offer luggage wrapping services. Decorate your bag with a sticker, ribbon, colorful strap, or unique tag so it is easy to recognize. This helps you find it quickly, notice if it is missing, and prevents others from taking it by mistake. And securing your items during the flight. Board early to secure overhead bin space and avoid gate checking your carry-on. It also lets you place your bag close to your seat. Priority boarding or frequent flyer benefits can help you get on the plane sooner. Keep your wallet deep inside your carry-on during the flight. Since you will not need it often on board, placing it further inside the bag makes it harder for someone to grab quickly. Store your bag near your seat so you can keep an eye on it during the flight. Avoid placing it far away near the front of the plane. For better visibility, use the overhead compartment across from your seat instead of directly above you. Place your bag upside down or with zippers and pockets facing inward in the overhead bin. This makes it harder for someone to open it unnoticed. If storing it under the seat, keep the pockets facing you so you can see if anyone tries to access them. Speak up if you see someone handling your luggage suspiciously. A firm warning may stop the theft. If you see someone stealing from a bag or taking luggage, tell a flight attendant or security immediately. Thanks for watching.